Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I am super excited. Today I'm doing what I got from Amazon. So my Amazon order just arrived. So I'm going to now show you what I got. Now I was really tempted to open everything, like open all the boxed products, but I waited for me to film this video. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is a lash comb that I've been wanting for a long time on Amazon, and I finally got it. It's this. This is the MSQ lash comb, and I got it in pink. So let's actually open it together. I don't know how I think like this side, yeah, like this. There we go. Cool. Okay, so it comes with a little protector, and then here are the little lash comb bristles. I guess you could say it's metal, which I think is nice. In the next video, I'm going to be demoing and trying out the lash comb, and then another item that I'm going to be sharing last. I'm really excited to try this. It's gonna be awesome because I've heard a lot of rave about this lash comb, especially on TikTok, and I'm really excited to try it. So this next thing I'm going to talk about is a lash and brow serum. So I'm going to zoom in on my eyes a little bit. I don't know if you can tell, but maybe in the middle of my lashes, kind of like right in this area, there's a tiny bit of a bald spot. I don't know if they pulled out my lashes or in that area, or like when I was curling my lashes or something, I don't know, but yeah, it was only on this side, and I do kind of want to grow out my lashes anyway, so that's why I got this. This is the 2020 Beauty Get Growing Lash and Brow Serum, and this is by an actual eye doctor, which I think is amazing. That's why I got this one. Whatever. Okay, let's open it. And I didn't notice that it had little eyelash lashes on it. Okay, let's open it. Didn't it? Oh wow. I love the packaging. I don't know. Again, I'm going to be testing this product out in a separate video, not in the video that's coming on Thursday, but in a different video. And I'm going to be doing lash updates for this. I think what does it say? I think it's like 3 to 9 months of results. So I'm going to do this for 3 months and see, and kind of like do some little updates on shorts. So I'm so excited to start using the Lash serum. I've never used something like this before, so I'm really excited. Last item I'm super excited about. Now, it's the Sigma Essential brush set. These are the 12 brushes in here. I did want to try the BKB and Nikki LaRose brushes first, but I thought I would try these instead. I don't know, just because I've never tried Sigma brushes either, and I wanted to try some, so I do have a Sigma switch. That's the only Sigma product that I had, and then I wanted to try these. So I'm actually going to unbox this and just look at the brushes one by one. Again, there are 12 brushes. Whoa. Okay. So it just comes in a huge pack like this. Okay, I'm gonna have, because on the back it has the brush names and what the brushes are used for. I'm gonna keep that in front of me right now. Wow, I really like the way they look. Wow. Okay, let's start with a random one, I guess. And I'm not going in any specific order that shows on here. I'm just doing it randomly. Alright, this first one, wow! I've never felt brushes like this before. Maybe because it's new, I don't know, but these feel nice. This is the Sigma E70 brush. I love that. Okay, then, and again, I'm going randomly. We have the Sigma F60 brush. I guess this is more for, yeah. And I like that it has what the brush is used for. So this one's like foundation, which I think is really cool. Wow, okay, that's really fluffy and nice. I love that. Okay, this is the F30 large powder brush. Then we have the F40 large angled contour brush. I don't have a lot of contour brushes, and I really am excited to use this one. Or start using this one. It's so cool. Okay, next brush, E30 brush, which is a pencil brush. Again, I don't have a lot of pencil brushes, and maybe have two, and I really, really like this one. Next, we have E55 eye shading brush. Nice. Then we have the E60 large shader brush. So, oh wait, no, this is a lot bigger. The E60 brush is a lot bigger than the E55 brush. Okay, and next we have another blending brush, E40 tapered blending brush. This one. I've never had a really tapered brush before. That's nice. Then we have the E70 concealer brush. I really like how tiny this is. I love tiny brushes for concealer, for the under eye area. It's really nice. Next, we have the E65 small angle brush. I guess this is the eyeliner brush, obviously. I really like how thin that is. It's really, really nice. Then we have the F50 Duo Fiber brush. I've had a brush like this before. I've never really used it, but I think I'm definitely going to start using this one. Okay, then the last brush I am actually super, super excited to try. This is the E5 brush, EO5 brush, or maybe I'll just call it E5 eyeliner brush. I really like how thin this brush is. I love it. Okay, that was everything that I got from Amazon. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!